Hi guys, welcome to MS Excel 2016. This is Anil. We are in class 1. Today in this class, you will learn how to freeze top row as well as the first column in MS Excel. First column is logged. In the same way, first row is logged. Let me open an Excel sheet. So this is an Excel sheet which is a very pretty big Excel sheet which is having few, not few, more number of rows, like almost 84 rows are there, and there are good amount of columns too. There are good amount of columns, 37 columns are there. So this is very easy to update few things, like whenever, if you have a necessity of updating something within the screen limit, it is very easy to update, right? If you want to update something for column 9 for this column and for this row, you will go to here and you will update something, right? Randomly you will update 1 2 3 something. If you want to update 1 2 3 4 5, you will update it. There is no problem in it. But if you want to update something which is not visible here, like still on the screen we are able to see up to row 16, but we are not able to see the row 17. To see row 17 and next rows, we have to scroll the mouse bar, right, vertically down. So that you can see, when you are scrolling down, you are losing the header section, you are losing the top row, right? So that in some cases, if you want to update some column 10 for row 38, then for row 38 column 10, then you will not have an idea where is the column 10. So in that case, you will need to lock this particular row so that it will be easy to update. In the same way, if you want to update something for column 16 but for row 10, so now you are unable to see the row value here. In this section you are unable to see the row value. If you make this first column as constant, then you can see the first column when you scroll your mouse to the right of the Excel sheet. So to do that, we will work on a concept called freeze panes, which is out of box concept provided by Microsoft Excel. It will work on 2010, 2013, 2016, all flavors of Microsoft Excel. So currently I'm working on Microsoft Excel 2016. So how to do that? Now my intention is to log this particular row. So if I want to log this particular row, I can place my cursor anywhere on the screen. First I have to go to the view tab. I have to select the freeze panes. Then you have to select this second option called freeze top row. Once you click that, automatically your top row, this one, will be locked. This will be frozen. So when you scroll down your mouse, the top row will not move. That is constant and it will not move. So that is frozen out here now. Now this is frozen, right? So again, I want to lock this column also. But if I choose the third option called freeze first column, if I select that, the first column is locked. But you will see the difference. The whatever the top row which was locked earlier, now it was unlocked now, because we have given the priority for the first column. So now by using the out of box options called freeze top row and freeze first column, these two options will be useful only you can either lock a top row or the first column, but if you want to lock both at a time, then you cannot use this particular option called freeze top row or freeze first column. For that you have to use a option called freeze panes. Now before applying that we have to unfreeze. Now we have frozen the first column, right? So this is the first column is frozen out now here. Now we have to unfreeze the first column so that we can freeze the required panes. To unfreeze, you have to go back to the freeze panes. Then you will see the first option called unfreeze panes. If you click on that, now whatever that got frozen out, that will be unfreezed now. Now there is no freezed cells here. So now it is normal, back to normal Excel sheet. Now my intention is to lock the first row and the first column. To do that, what you have to do is you have to see the intersection cell. For this column and for this row, this is the intersection cell, right? The diagonally adjacent to that intersection cell is this, right? So you have to place your cursor on this particular cell and you have to click on the freeze panes and you have to click freeze panes option, so that what happens now, first column is logged. In the same way first row is logged. Got it? So this is the magic of freeze panes. And similarly you can unlock these panes also by option called unfreeze panes. Now it's normal. Now I want these particular rows. I'm assuming that these are the particular top rows and these are the particular columns. I want to lock all these columns and I want to lock all these rows, but I want to move only these values. So to do that, what we have to do is we have to see the adjacent cell. This is the adjacent cell, right? Intersection point. This is the intersection point for these cells. So this will be the adjacent cell. So you have to place your cursor here, go to view tab, click on freeze panes, freeze panes. Now see the top rows are frozen. In the same way, the left side columns are frozen. So this is what a freezing panes concept is. By using this, you can easily update the content. If someone asks you to update column 11 with row number 20, then what you can do is you can scroll down row number 20, column 11. You can update your data whatever is needed. It is very easy to update now. Got it? So this is very useful tip actually when you're working on large volumes of data with more number of rows and columns. I hope this video will help you in working on Excel sheet by using freezing panes. If you like this video, please put your comment and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.